because he lives. I can face tomorrow because he lives. All fear is gone because I know he owns my future. And life is worth living just because he lives. Yeah, today is Money Making Monday. This is Monday, the first Monday of April. And nothing gives joy more than when you start a project and you are able to finish it. Here we are at the Castle Mass Estate. The Castle Mass Estate. We talked, we started, we didn't just say it, and we fulfill our words. I'm going to take you to the estate. This is the roads and this is the entrance of the estate. Let me take you inside and see what we have inside this beautiful estate. Because you ladies, we can face tomorrow, and I know that you will be an happy investor after I take you around. Okay, so here we are at the Castle Mass Estate. We have fully detached, beautiful bungalows for you. We have the classic finishing, we have the royal finishing, and you can also see that we're also building a duplex here also, and also have duplexes available for you. Off-plan projects, finished projects, semi-finished project. We have all for you depending on your pocket, your budget, and whatever you want. Right now I'm going to take you inside the apartment so that you are going to see what we have for you inside one of the apartments. It's beautiful. Come with me. So here we are at one of, I want to show you one of the apartments we have in the Castle Mass Estate. Come inside, let me show you what we have here. And this is the visitors' toilet. And you can see that this place is ready to be delivered. We have the chandelier slide. We have the chandelier, beautiful chandelier. We have beautiful socket extension. Everything is wonderful. Let me take you to the kitchen. The kitchen is fully fitted. The kitchen is ready, fully fitted from everything. You just imagine you come here with your family. You don't have to worry. Everything is okay. Look at the sink. Everything is wonderful. Place to store your food. Place to store every beautiful thing for cooking. The place is fully fitted. What we are delivering for you is fully fitted. And I also take you to see one of our rooms. The rooms we have is a 3-bedroom flat, like I said. These are the rooms. The toilet, everything is set. Comes with the wardrobe. Everything is set and fully available for you. We are giving you value for your money. This is another room also, and this is another room. Every room comes with a toilet and a bathroom. Every room comes with a toilet and a bathroom. And let me also take you to the last room. This is the last room here. So every room comes with a toilet and bathroom. The Castle Mass is a place for you to be. It's a place for you to be. Because we always give you value for your money. It's a place to be. We always give you value for your money. I want you to call the numbers on your screen. We only have few units available. It's not for those who will get back to me. It's for those who are ready. If you are ready, call me, because this place is set and ready to be delivered. So immediately you come, I take you for inspection, and we do business together. Thank you. Have a great week.